Imagine a day in the life of a jar of mayonnaise. It starts its journey as simple, raw ingredients, each with its own story, coming together in a grand culinary symphony. From farm fields to factory floors, every step is meticulously crafted to deliver that creamy, tangy goodness we all love. Today, we're taking you inside a mayonnaise factory to uncover the magic behind this beloved condiment. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Our story begins in 1756 during the Siege of Mayonnaise. As the legend goes, a French chef stranded without his usual ingredients concocted a new sauce using eggs, oil, and vinegar. This accidental invention was dubbed mayonnaise, in honor of the victory at Mayonnaise. Over the next century, this culinary marvel spread across Europe, captivating palates with its unique texture and flavor. In the late 19th century, mayonnaise crossed the Atlantic, finding a new home in America. By 1905, Richard Hellmann, a German immigrant, started selling mayonnaise from his New York deli. His recipe became so popular that by 1912, he began mass-producing it. Hellmann's mayonnaise soon became a household name, revolutionizing the way Americans enjoy their sandwiches and salads. Today, the global mayonnaise market is valued at over $11 billion, with the United States accounting for a significant share. So, how is mayonnaise made? The journey of mayonnaise begins in lush green farms, where free-range chickens happily roam and lay fresh eggs. Each year, the factory consumes approximately 50 million eggs, and not a single one slips through the rigorous inspection process. These eggs are not just ingredients, but the soul of mayonnaise. Next comes the oil, not the kind you use for your car, but carefully selected soybean or canola oil, known for its light flavor and smooth texture. Every year, the factory uses around 10 million liters of oil to contribute to the soft, smooth consistency of each drop of mayonnaise. And let's not forget the vinegar and distinctive spices like mustard, sugar, and salt, essential elements that give mayonnaise its unique flavor. Stepping into the factory, you will see large capacity mixers operating with precision. The magic of mayonnaise lies in emulsification, a process where two unblendable liquids are combined into a smooth, stable mixture. This begins with the eggs. High-speed mixers blend the eggs until they form a uniform base. Then, in a precise and controlled manner, oil is slowly introduced. The mixers continue to work their magic, ensuring the oil droplets are finally dispersed, creating that signature creamy texture. This step is critical. Too fast or too slow, and the mixture won't achieve the desired consistency. These high-capacity mixers can produce up to 5,000 liters of mayonnaise per hour. Now, we move on to the pasteurization stage. To ensure safety, the mayonnaise mixture must be heated to a specific temperature, typically 72 degrees Celsius, to eliminate harmful bacteria without altering the flavor or texture. After pasteurization, the mayonnaise moves on to the exciting stage of filling and packaging. Automated machines operate swiftly like robots in a sci-fi movie, precisely filling each jar of mayonnaise. Each jar is carefully filled to ensure none are underfilled. Can you imagine? The production line can fill 300 jars of mayonnaise per minute, quick as a flash. After filling, the jars are tightly sealed. This packaging process not only keeps the mayonnaise fresh, but also ensures nothing unwanted gets inside. Before any jar of mayonnaise leaves the factory, it must pass rigorous quality control tests. These tests include checking for flavor, consistency, and safety. Each year, the factory conducts over 20,000 quality control tests to ensure consumer satisfaction. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.